Welcome back to another video. This will be lesson number 2 on Tkinter. So I'm going to come up here and right click and create a new Python file. And this time I'm going to call it, what can I call this one? I'm adding text. And hit OK. Alright, so one of the things I could do is I could come over here and instead of writing the code out again, I'm just going to copy this reusable code. And let's see here, exit out. Alright, paste it in there. Alright, so we're just gonna, now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna call it window this time. Alright, maybe if I can type. Alright, now it's not letting me type. There we go, quit doing that. Alright, what is going on with my keyboard? One thing I will show you, when you go to create a new file, it's safer to do file and to add .py to it. When you actually right click and create a new and just call it Python, it gives me a lot of problems. It doesn't work right away. It takes a while to recognize what it's supposed to do. Anyways, what I was trying to do is call this window, right? And the other thing that I want to do is I want to add some information to it. So this time I'm going to add some text information to it versus just what we have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that down a little bit. And once the thing is, when you add your text, you can call it anything. So I'm going to call it my label equals, and then you have to use the dictionary, the value. So I'll call it label. And then in there I'll call it root, comma, and then text equals, and I'll give it a value. So in this case I'll just say hello CCAC, or you know what, hello March Madness. Keep it simple. Alright, so you know what, you see how I have root here? I used root last time. It has to be the name of your property here, so I need to change that to window. Okay, now let's run it and see what happens. Alright, so you see here it didn't work because there's no text to it. You know why? Because there's a feature that I left out. So in Java you have to add your properties, well, your widgets to the screen. You have to do the same thing in Python. So what I need to do is add my widget here, and there's something called package. So you take the name of your property, so this is called my label, and you type in .pack. Oops, it comes up. And what this does is it packages your widget and says, guess what? We're going to put your widget on the screen. So now if I run this code, you should see that now I have this here. This is hello March Madness. Simple. Now let's say that we wanted to add another text label. Let's say that we wanted to call it my label 2 equals label, and we could call it window, and we could say text equals Villanova will win it. Oh, right? So I need to add my label 2 .pack in order to package that code. Okay, so now if me running this should allow me to see this. Hello March Madness, Villanova will win it all. So that's how you add text. Now we'll talk about later on how you could put values in here and position where you're going to put it at. But this concludes video number 2. This one's just talking about how to add text to your GUI screen. Okay, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.